Here I'm here to explain two programs that implements the concepts of virtual function and friend function. In this program, we define a class account with protected variables R, T, P, and I, that is rate of interest, term, and principal, and the interest amount. And there's a constructor called account that initializes R with 0.05 and term as 1 and p is equal to 0, I is equal to 0. There's a virtual function, pure virtual function called calculate interest. Then there's a function called get balance that prints the principal amount. There's two functions, debit and credit. Debit accepts a variable amount of type double, and if the amount is greater or equal to the principal amount, it reduces the amount from the principal amount and returns to and credit accepts amount of double type and then adds it to the principal amount. And there's a function called savings account which inherits from the class account. It initializes p is equal to 0 in its constructor, and it this function calculate interest, that is the virtual function of the class account, is given meaning in this class. I is equal to p into r into t, and credit is given as I, and we are calling the function get balance, and there's a class called checking account that accepts from the class account, and it initializes the p as 0, and there's a function, the virtual function. We have to give it here because otherwise you cannot call a pure function, abstract function, without making changes to its virtual function. So we have to write this, and inside the main function we make two pointer objects of savings account and checking account. We create an array of type account and create two objects inside the array, and then we ask the user to type in 1 or 2 for savings account or checking account, and then we ask the user to withdraw, deposit, or balance inquiry or 0. Accordingly, we call the functions and then we call the functions and type in the balance, and for the both cases, for savings account as well as checking account, we perform this. And now we will see the program. The user is asked to select the account type. We'll type in savings. We'll deposit 200. Then including the interest, it's $210, and then we'll try withdrawing it 200. To check the balance. Now we'll check the balance again, then type in 0 to exit. Now we'll try the other, that is checking account. Get deposit 500 and withdraw 200. Check the balance, then we'll type in 0 to exit. That's the end of the program. Thank you for watching.